Okay, folks, so we are here in Appleton, Wisconsin. I know that we always come to Appleton here in Wisconsin. For us here in Green Bay, well, we live in Green Bay, Wisconsin. But whenever I wanted to come and shop, they have a big mall over here. It's called Fox Mall. What is it called? Fox River Mall. Fox River Mall. And Appleton definitely is a place to come and shop. They have a lot of shops over here. They have a lot of places to come and do. I guess if you wanted to shop and have a nice and go to a nice place to eat, you can definitely do that. Green Bay, Wisconsin is coming up like that lately, but didn't used to be like that before. So we used to come to Appleton a lot. So we're gonna go downtown Appleton, Wisconsin, so you can see how it is. This is the shopping area. They have a lot of shopping malls, places here, and it's big. It's huge, huge. So Appleton has 75,000 people, 644. We got to see the sign in there. So it's not a big city once again. Although there's a lot of little cities around Appleton. You got Fond du Lac, you got Oshkosh, you got Neenah. What other cities do they have? Menasha. And they have a lot of.
You got Grand Chute, Little Chute.
Kakana?
Well, no, that's further north.
Farther north, okay.
As far as what's considered a suburb of Appleton.
Suburbs of Appleton, okay, got it. So as you can see, pretty much every city here in Wisconsin, it looks almost the same, guys. Same architecture, same homes, basically everywhere you go. The only difference that it changes every now and then, it shows downtown. And we used to come a lot over here more often before, right, huh?
Yeah.
Like at least once.
Lived in the apartment.
When we used to live in an apartment, yes, you're absolutely right. I almost forgot. So when we first got to Green Bay, Wisconsin, obviously you guys know that we moved from the West Coast. I used to live in Los Angeles, and my hubby used to live in Las Vegas. So then we rented an apartment here in Pere. And our audience used to go to Appleton. We used to go a lot to the mall. Because literally the apartment that we got used to be out in the cornfields. Literally, right? Yeah, I remember that. So today happens to be the first day of spring. It is it's sunny. There's snow in the ground, but you can see that there's a lot of green grass already on the bottom of the, you can see, watch the videos and check the grass. But there's a lot of little snow here and there. We can still get snow here in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and Appleton and Wisconsin, all the way to...
This is college, so I can go back?
Yeah, you can go that way, yeah. So we can get snow all the way to what, late April?
Oh, it's happened before.
It happened before?
Yep. We've had the 2 feet of snow in late April.
Oh, wait a minute. That was supposed to be to the left-hand side. Oops. Wow, that looks like a nice little church over here. So like I was saying before, guys, we can still get snow late April. My hubby just told me that yes, it has happened in the past. And since we've been here more than 10 years now, I noticed that yes, you can get a lot of snow even in May, early May, honestly. So it all depends about the weather patterns, and I don't know. But Appleton, just to give a heads up about a little feedback about Appleton, is here in Appleton, they have the biggest Oktoberfest festival ever.
I would have to disagree with that.
Oh, really? Oh, my goodness.
I've been to Germany, so have I. There is no way you can compare this.
Well, not to. I mean, I'm saying just like USA.
Okay, well, there you go.
So,
You can quantify it.
Clarify it. Oh yes. Well, thank you for letting me. Thank you for letting me know that. So yes, the biggest Oktoberfest is in Germany. If you guys have ever been to Germany before, Bonn, Germany is where they have the biggest Oktober festival ever. But here in USA, I believe, from what I've seen, they even have a festival. So it is huge. It is huge here in Appleton. So if you guys ever wanted to come to a nice Oktoberfest festival, big, with a lot of bands and parade,
Oh,
they definitely do. Oopsie, we kind of got sidetracked here on the side.
there's no we. Let's clarify. Someone decides they want to go a different direction.
Whoopsie. But yes, I never been to a Oktoberfest. Hopefully this year we can make it. But I think it would be nice to come and check it out. I know my hubby doesn't like crowds because it gets too crowded. It's a lot of people. Plus nowadays, guys, I don't know about you guys, but you know, safety is becoming a concern nowadays too. And but all of this downtown area, it is full of Oktoberfest. I think they even televise that on TV, right?
I have no idea.
But anyway, this is Appleton, Wisconsin, downtown Appleton, Wisconsin. I know for sure that here in downtown Appleton, Wisconsin, they have a bar where everything is Christmas. Every single year and every single day of the time. Everything is just like Christmas theme. I forget what it's called. I've been here only once before. But this is Appleton. Also, just to give a heads up, they do have a lot of concerts here. So sometimes they don't make it to Green Bay, Wisconsin. But for some reason, they always make it to Appleton. So I'm thinking they have better chances to make more money here. I don't know what it is. But this is Appleton, downtown Appleton. Definitely looks like a big city too, guys. Downtown Appleton, it seems like they're working out on the streets. Oh, and there's a Christmas bar. That's Cleo's. There you go. I found that Christmas bar. On our way back, I'll show you guys. It's called Cleo's. Oh my goodness, look at those fancy windmills. Or wind something. For those that don't know, Appleton also has one of the biggest universities, I believe, here. And they have a lot of college people. We are driving on College Boulevard, which is one of the main roads here in Appleton. And College is going to be coming up to the right. It's called Lawrence University. Check this out so you can see. I heard they have a lot of nice museums over here too. So what I want to do, and I commit, is that I'm going to come back to some of those museums that they have here. And I will be just making a museum video for you guys so you get to see how it is. That is a university. It's called Lawrence. That is St. Lawrence, or Lawrence University here in Appleton. Beautiful building. All of these around us, guys, is part of the college. You're gonna go back on the same street, right?
I don't know. It depends.
Yeah, this is nice. So this is mostly college people, college area, college neighborhood. City bus, Appleton. It's actually not a bad city, honestly. I think you can go. This is part of the Lawrence University.
Holy Jesus.
Oh
Is that
my
meant
goodness.
to be an exit?
Yes, it is. Maybe just go through the parking lot. Okay, guys. So by accident, we came to Plants Hall, which it happens to be dorms. This building right here, it is dorms for college people. Just FYI. Yeah, so all of this is Lawrence University here in Appleton, Wisconsin. Honestly, beautiful buildings. If you ask me, I think they're historical. Look at that one. That is beautiful, guys. So I'm sure Appleton has a lot of things to do. If you are young and beautiful and everybody else still like me, I'm sure you can have a lot of fun. Just be safe. Oh, there's a museum I wanted to come. Oops, then I'm gonna check it out. I promise I'll come back and just do a video for just a museum. So on the right hand side you get to see Louis Brew. Back in the days I was going to be able to get a job over there, and for some reason it didn't work out, guys, which is okay, not a biggie. Things happen for a reason. But this is Appleton. It's like a big city too. Okay, guys, so City Center East. On the left hand side you are going to be able to see a little place called Cleo's. Cleo's is the place where everything is Christmas. It's a bar, and everything you see is going to be Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. I also recommend that you come and check it out. It's something called Brazil. It's another little bar here in Appleton. It's beautiful. I mean, there's a lot of drinking here in Wisconsin, people, but no wonder why we have the #1 state that drinks the most. See that on the left hand side there's Cleo's. That Cleo's, everything is Christmas. Everything is Christmas. So we hold the #1 drinking state alcohol in the nation for a reason. Just drink with precautions. Don't drink and drive. But this is Appleton. And I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Fox City Performance Center on the right hand side. Oh, Victoria's. That's my favorite Italian place. My mother-in-law used to took us there a few times, and it was wonderful. Good food. Good Italian food, for sure. So anyway, thank you for watching our videos as usual. Subscribers, new subscribers, and future subscribers to come. This was Appleton, here at Jessica in Wisconsin. We'll see you next time. And Jeff and Jess, Sinna, thank you so much. It was a lot of traffic downtown Appleton. Oh my goodness, big city. Oh boy. But if you're not from Appleton, you probably know that here in Appleton there is a lot of shopping centers. They got Fox River Mall. Fox River Mall has everything you want, and everything you need is there probably. And nice stuff too. Like, I grew up in Los Angeles, so it reminds me a lot of being in Los Angeles. Big malls, big cities. Look at that, taqueria.
Mm-hmm. That was there when we drove through.
Really? Oh my goodness. All right, guys, and so if you see far away, all of that area is the shopping area for Appleton. They have a Fox River Mall, just like I said, and they have a lot of stores spread out throughout the whole neighborhood. Just wanted you to see that quickly. It's right next to 41 in College. And that's, if you are a shopper, if you need a big nice mall, come and check it out. They have a lot of good places to come and eat too, just FYI. And we'll see you next time for sure now. Just wanted to say those 3 lines before we finish the video. First day of spring here in Appleton, Wisconsin.